Dear students, good morning. Today I am going to start chapter 3rd of economics, money and credit. The title of chapter defines a lot about the chapter money and credit. Here I have given the important terms, or this is a web chart of this chapter. Like these are the key points. First is barter system, second is coincidence of wants, third is money as currency. After that, formal and informal sector of credit, then banking system. After that, collateral, then terms of credit. After that, demand draft, then SHG, self-help groups. One point is more that why the government should increase credit sources or the banking system in a rural area. So, in this chapter, I will start from the first point barter system. What was the barter system in the previous time? Then there was no money, the things were replaced directly with the things. Okay, goods were exchanged without use of money. That was called barter system. So, in the ancient time, it was very easy. Okay, after that, when the needs of peoples were increasing, then the water system becoming so difficult. So like if I want to purchase a laptop or with the replace of beat, then I have to bring beat with me, or suppose I want to I have to go Delhi to bring laptop, then it was very difficult to take a lot of beat with me or to carry beat with me. So that's why this system was replaced with money, because coincidence of wants means two persons should be agree to exchange their things. Okay, this is called coincidence of wants. When the water system become very difficult, then this system was replaced with money. Now money as a medium of currency. Okay, it is easy to carry anywhere, or it is legalized by the government. After that, what is banking system? In the banking system, there are two terms. There are two persons. One is depositor, or second is creditor. Suppose I deposit 1 lakh and I got interest 6% on my deposited money. What the bank will do? Bank will the bank has to keep 20% in bank. Rest of the money the bank will give to creditor. Means bank will give 80,000 as a credit to a borrower. After that, the bank will impose 12% interest on credit. So 6 months to 12 is equal to 6. This is the income of bank. Banks are working on these conditions, means the depositor and creditor. After that, second term is their demand draft. Suppose I had deposited 1 lakh in emergency. If I want to withdraw my money, I can withdraw my money. That is called demand draft. On demand, I can withdraw my money which is deposited with bank. This is called demand deposit. After that, collateral. If you want to take a credit, then you have to submit your property documents, your vehicles document, anything which is ensuring the bank that you will return the loan. If you are unable to return the loan to bank, then the bank will sell your property, okay, to get his money back. This is called collateral. Okay, tomorrow we will start from here. Thank you. Have a nice day.